Moin, that's in the mic. Lëtzebuergesch. In Lëtzebuergesch, this means you're welcome. It's not a phrase that I'm ever going to be comfortable with because you got four words, Lëtzebuergesch, one of which is ass, and another of which sounds like the word shit. This was especially tough for me when I first moved here because when I'd be at the grocery store or at a bakery and they would give me my change, I would say merci, and they would say something back that sounded like something ass, something something shit. And I hoped they weren't saying, hey ass, you're such a stupid shit, or hey ass, your haircut looks like shit. I mean, I hoped they weren't saying these things, but I never knew. It sort of reminded me of our early visits to Paris and my attempts at trying to say derrière. My derrière, no matter how much I try, always comes out derrière. One time I was in Paris, at a grocery store, older woman ahead of me, she dropped her paper towels, and I picked them up, handed them to her, and she said, merci. And I wanted to say derrière, but I said, derrière? There she is, she's saying, thank you, and I'm smiling at her and saying, ass? Lëtzebuergesch is often shortened to gergeschit. The ass is gone, but you still got the shit word. It's not like I'm a prude. I have no problem using naughty words around people I know or friends, But with complete strangers and in sort of formal situations, I'm just not comfortable saying Lëtzebuergesch because I know that those are the only words that will be emphasized when I go to say them. At ass, gergeschit. At ass, gergeschit. So instead of Lëtzebuergesch or gergeschit, I usually just say key problem, meaning no problem. I don't know if this is anything that Luxembourgish would actually say, but it is what I say in English. No problem. I say key problem, vel is hun a problem met gergeschit. At ass, gergeschit.